In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend a song segment in your library. If you've already created a song idea and you want to keep building on it without starting over, this is a quick and useful feature to know. Extending a song segment lets you continue from a specific point, so you can add more lyrics, develop the style, or push the track in a new direction while still keeping the foundation you already like. To begin, go to your library and find the song segment you want to work with. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct version, especially if you have multiple drafts or similar takes saved. Once you've found the right segment, tap the three-dot menu, which is the More Options button. This menu gives you access to additional actions for that specific track. From the menu, click Extend. This opens the extension workflow, where you can tell the system exactly how you want the next part of the song to continue. This is especially helpful when you like the current arrangement but want to add a second verse, expand an instrumental section, or explore a slightly different creative direction. Next, set the timestamp for where the extension should begin. This part matters because it determines the exact point in the song where the new material will take over. If you choose the timestamp carefully, the transition will feel much smoother. It can help to listen to the segment first so you can place the extension at a natural break, such as the end of a line, a chorus, or an instrumental moment. After that, add the new lyrics or style instructions you want the extension to follow. Be clear and intentional here. If you want the song to stay consistent, use wording that matches the tone, mood, and structure of what came before. If you want the track to evolve, this is where you can guide that change by describing the new lyrical direction or stylistic shift. Once everything looks right, hit create. The system will then generate the extended version based on your selected timestamp and the instructions you provided. After it's finished, listen through the result carefully. Pay attention to how naturally the